Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by asking the iPhone user to create a FaceTime link. This is the crucial first move. Once they tap Create Link in FaceTime, they can copy or share it. Make sure the iPhone's iOS is 15 or later so links are enabled, otherwise this won't work. When they send the link, open it on your Android in Chrome or Edge. Do not use an embedded app browser. This step hands you the temporary meeting room you'll immediately join. After opening the FaceTime link, grant camera and microphone permissions. This lets audio and video flow. You'll be asked to enter a display name. Pick something recognizable so the iPhone user can accept promptly. Then you'll land in a browser lobby. Stay on that page and wait for the host to admit you. Make sure to toggle your camera or mute if needed, and choose front or rear camera so your video looks right once the call begins. Once admitted, position the phone and confirm audio routing. Use headphones if echo appears. If you can't connect, first toggle networks, switch Wi-Fi off and try mobile data or reconnect to a stronger network. If reloading the page doesn't help, ask the iPhone user to recreate and resend the FaceTime link. Also check browser permissions and any battery or privacy settings blocking camera or mic. That resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.